Hi everyone, Succulents Box here. Today we'll show you how to grow your cactus collection easy and free via propagation. There are different methods to propagate cactus, one of which is through their offshoots. This method is easy to apply and has a high chance of success. The first thing you need to do is choose a healthy cactus with lots of offshoots, one that's at least 1 inch tall to increase the chance of success. For this video, we picked the thimble cactus. When separating the offshoots, it's better to wear a pair of gloves to avoid touching their spines. Then, gently twist and pull the offshoots from the mother cactus. Prepare a pot of well-drained soil. Just mix the soil with a 50-50 ratio of inorganic and organic matters. Repot the offshoots we have removed earlier into the soil. Place the pot in an airy place with good filtered sunlight. Avoid spots where it will receive direct sunlight, as this will likely damage your offshoots. Give the offshoots a good soak of water only when the soil is dry. This is to lessen any risk of rotting. After following this, the offshoots will start growing their own roots in just 1 to 2 weeks. The next method we'd love to share is propagation from the pad. This works really well for most Opuntia genius and pad growing cactus. To start with, choose a cactus with lots of pads like this angel wing cacti. They are perfect for this method. They are super easy to take care of and can grow new pads within 2 to 3 months under proper care. To begin, put on gloves to avoid getting pricked, then gently twist and pull the pads from the mother cactus. You may use a scissor or sharp knife for a cleaner cut. Just disinfect it before using to prevent any kind of disease to occur. And make sure to use a healthy pad for this method. Pads with visible signs of stress, disease, or discoloration will lessen the success rate of propagation. Allow the pads to dry for 2 to 3 days and prepare a pot of well-drained soil. Then stick half of the dried pad into the potting soil. After planting your pads, place the pot in an airy place with some filtered sunlight. Again, avoid spots that will receive direct sunlight, as this will likely damage your pads. Before watering your cactus, wait for a few days, then start misting the soil every few days or when you feel the topsoil is dry. Once the roots are established, watering should be lessened by allowing the soil to dry out completely in between. Under proper care, the roots will start to appear on those pads in just 2 to 3 weeks. The last method that we will share is the cutting propagation. This method is perfect for cacti that don't grow pads or offshoots. Just like with the pad propagation, start with snipping off a healthy cutting using a sharp, clean knife. Make sure that the cutting is at least 10 centimeters long and allow it to callus for 2 to 3 days to avoid rot. Plant your dried cuttings in a pot with a well-drained potting mix and hold back on watering for 1 to 2 more days. Then mist the topsoil when it feels dry to touch. Once the roots mature, water the soil deeply when it's completely dry. Here's what it should look like after 1 month. You can see all the pads have already formed their own root system, and the pups have also grown some roots and look very healthy. You can also dip your pups or pads in rooting hormone to increase the growth rate. That's it for today. Good luck with your propagation and see you in our next video.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok.